Oh, oh. Alright, I'm back because I suck at character design. So I'm trying to improve myself. Alright, and today we're drawing Amma and Chinki. Yo, Amma, let's drop him. Yes, Chinki, beta. Let's do it. Oh, Amma, Chinki, no. Ah, Amma, Chinki. Please subscribe or they are gonna kill me. Alright, so today's characters are also subscriber special. So 2 of my subscribers actually suggested me these characters. The first one is basically an old lady with a rabbit in her hand, and she has a crescent moon kind of like an hairstyle. Alright, so I tried to exaggerate the shapes, alright, as much as possible, but I don't know, I feel that I could have done better somehow, but okay, it doesn't matter anyways. And she also has a bow and arrow, okay, so she's like hunting rabbits and stuff. Alright, so yeah, and then I gave her a kind of like a thug life sunglasses because she's like also kind of like, she looks also kind of like a gangster of sorts, ready to kill anyone. Most people fear her. Alright, she's like a mafia of sorts. Right, and the next one is a wife of previous character which I made, who has this who has his one arm full of metal. Okay, I'll put him up on the screen right now. So she is his wife, so she's thin as opposed to him being fat, and she also has a banana hairdress, which is hilarious, by the way. This was also a subscriber recommendation, and as opposed to his arm being metal, she has a metal leg. She has a cybernetic leg, right? And she is wearing a flowing sari, and the metal leg is exposed, and she is holding 2 Urumi swords. Okay, the Urumi swords are special Indian swords which are practiced in the Indian martial art Kalari Payattu, okay, of Kerala. So yeah, so this one turned out pretty good actually. I like the shapes, and I like her thin design, and I made her face almost like a banana, okay, and the banana peeling hairdress, okay, though, so that looks really good. I like it so far. I like both of the design. They are like, and these people are like almost like a family of sorts, okay, these 3 people or these 2 ladies, right? So it's a perfect duo. And for the colors, I went with something very earthly, okay. One of the subscribers suggested the colors, but for the other design, I just went on with whatever came into my mind. So the first one is like very warm colors, reds and yellows and browns, okay, and she has like tattoos on her arm which I forgot to record in the videos. Alright, so she's dark. Both of them are dark, okay. Their whole family is dark. And for the second design, she is even darker than the Amma. Alright, so she has a very desaturated brown color. Alright, and for her dress, I went with the green design as opposed to Amma's red sari, and the green actually complements the red, and it suits the banana's yellow very well, okay. It suits her skin color, it suits her banana's yellow. Alright, so yeah, I have never drawn a green character before, so this was like probably the first green character which I drew. So, but it turned out pretty good. And for her accent, I went with the peach color below her sari. So yeah, so that also works out. Yeah, these two were like probably the most fun characters which I had in a while. Okay, and both of them being Indian, it really trained my brain to draw Indian character, which I struggle in a lot. Alright, so yeah. Alright, and that's it. I will be doing more character design regularly, so please subscribe, and until next time, I'll see you later. Goodbye.